Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. All right guys, so I am back today with another video in the print-on-demand sites that you should be using in 2020. So today we are going to talk about Custom Cat. So it is almost third quarter, and we have been running into a lot of issues. Merch by Amazon is not opening up in the US yet. Printful is super delayed. Printify is delayed. T-Launch is acting up. It's just not good all around. So I was on the search to find another print-on-demand site, and I came across Custom Cat. So also, when I came across Custom Cat, I did not see a lot of video tutorials for Custom Cat, reviews on Custom Cat, or anything. So I am here to give that to you guys, whether or not you like my channel, whether or not you like me, whether or not you want to hear this from me. But I am here to do it for you because we need options and we need an alternative. So I've already done like a soft Printful alternative video, but this is a video that is truly tailored to Custom Cat. So Custom Cat integrates with a few sites. I already did another video, but it does integrate with a few sites, and I definitely know that it integrates with Shopify and Etsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an overview of the website, and then I'm gonna show you the product that I got from Custom Cat. Hey guys, so this is Custom Cat. I do have a sample from them. I will be getting more. They do embroidery, they do DTG, and I can't remember if they do screen print, but this is Custom Cat. Little about us here. They're focused. They have a product catalog, and they integrate with Shopify, WooCommerce, API integration, and you can do orders by CSV. So this is meaning you don't have a true website, but you can go through the process on an Excel sheet and upload them into it, and you can do the API integration with Etsy. Now I tried that, but I don't think I like how that one worked out. So Shopify is what I have mine integrated with right now on my website. Okay, so those are the integration processes. They give you a little background of who they are, what they're all about, and then they show their products again, how they're integrated and who they're integrated with. So let's go to the product catalog. So I feel like this website is functional, but I feel like they still have a lot of work to do. Like I said, right now it is connected to my Shopify store. So so it's sublimation as well. So they have direct to garment, sublimation, and embroidery. And if I'm not mistaken, the sample I'm going to show you guys, I believe is it might be sublimation, so I may have to check it out, but I do want to go ahead and get more samples in embroidery and sublimation if I didn't get the first shirt in sublimation, but I'll make sure I tell you guys when I do the actual unboxing and show you. I've already done a video on this, but I wanted to add this video into the print-on-demand sites that you should be using in 2020 to make sure I am showing you guys everything that you need to see. They have flip-flops, bibs, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and drinkware. Those are just some of their, different products. They have the brands over here. They do have Bella Canvas. They have Gildan. They have Anvil, I believe. They also have Next Level, Port Authority, and, any products that you could do sublimation on. As in like mugs, bibs, tote bags, coasters, necklaces, mugs, and fleece blanket as well. So this is just an overview of their site, and like I said, you have to create the products here and upload them to your actual website to get that done. And before you do that, I'll show you guys on another video on how to start a print-on-demand business, how to actually set up Custom Cat for your business as well. My shirt from Custom Cat. I said when I did this video, I was gonna let you know if I did sublimation or DTG, and I truly believe that this is I think this is sublimation. I don't know. Because of the only reason I'm thinking is sublimation because of the dye tint that is coming through on his skin. Because the shirt is yellow, I feel like that's reflecting in here. So you guys tell me. I think this is sublimation. If it's not sublimation, it's DTG. But I really think I chose sublimation. This is a Bella Canvas shirt. It's the 301C. It comes with this information here. Tells you about the shirt size. It's a maize yellow. And it just has like information on it. I truly think this is sublimation, okay? So forgive me if I am wrong. Okay, and also earlier I said that Custom Cat integrates with Etsy. It doesn't. It integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, API, and CSV. I also go over this on the overview of their website. And by the time next week, I should have an actual tutorial to show you guys how you can upload your products on Custom Cat. Again, I have a print-on-demand checklist available in my comment section, description section, sorry, that you guys can watch. I'm currently doing a case study series on how to make your first sale online using Shopify for beginners. You can check out all of my courses on gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you use Custom Cat. When I do grab any other products from there, I am going to check out their embroidery because I do need an alternative. When I do that, I'll just come back with an update on that to let you know how, you know, the unboxing or how the fulfillment is. And I do want to say that Custom Cat has fulfilled my orders within I'm going to say 5 to 10 business days, and I believe it came from Canada, so that is a good thing. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.